Hey Morgan, so 5 banks of the big banks have reported so far, and we have 2 clear winners, which the year-over-year revenue growth numbers captures, albeit somewhat crudely. Morgan Stanley and Bank of America, the clear ones with the biggest year-over-year gains in revenue. Morgan Stanley's securities business smashed it. And like everyone, they had a massive beat in advisory that drove a big investment banking beat, 2.8 billion revenue there for them compared to a forecast of 2.2. While their tilt in trading towards equities helped because 2.8 billion there, up 24% year over year, offset a decline in fixed income trading, though that was still not bad at 1.6 billion. Their wealth and investment management numbers slightly missed expectations. They were still strong, but they did slightly miss. Their firm-wide year-to-date revenue is 10% higher than their full-year 2019 revenue was, still with 1 quarter to go, which captures the growth they've had. Bank of America had strong capital markets as well, but the standout for them was their net interest income, starting to perform already this past quarter rather than guiding to that starting to happen moving forward. Loan growth ex-PPP was plus 2.3% quarter over quarter, and they held expenses flat. And that displayed the type of operating leverage that all banks will hope to show if rates do rise next year. Citigroup did see expenses rise 5% year over year, but they'd guided to that and it wasn't worse. And their capital markets divisions delivered like the others did. So this was a solid quarter while they're still going through, of course, their strategy shift. For Wells Fargo, it really all comes down to the call, which hasn't begun yet, and getting a hold on whether their regulatory restrictions are going to be lifted soon, as was hoped a few quarters ago, or the opposite, whether there are more coming, as some have started to fear in the last few months. Stocks have turned lower across the board pretty much. Bank of America is still higher, but off its highs, guys.